Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the owner of Newton Running Company. But before we get into that, I want to ask you a question. What is your favorite running shoe brand? I'm curious to know what brands you guys are loyal to. Leave a comment below and let me know. Now, back to the topic at hand. Who is the owner of Newton Running Company? The answer is Marlissa and Chris Ganley. Who are Marlissa and Chris Ganley? Marlissa and Chris are a husband and wife team who founded Newton Running Company in 2007. They have been passionate about running for many years, and they wanted to create a shoe that would help runners of all levels improve their performance. The Newton Advantage. Newton shoes are designed to help runners achieve a more natural and efficient stride. They do this by using a unique technology called action/reaction technology. This technology allows the shoe to absorb impact and then return energy to the runner's feet with each step. Newton shoes are also very comfortable and supportive. They are made from high-quality materials that are designed to wick away moisture and keep your feet cool and dry. Newton's success. Newton Running Company has been very successful since its inception. The company has sold millions of pairs of shoes worldwide, and it has become a popular choice among runners of all levels. Newton has also been recognized for its innovative designs. The company has won numerous awards for its shoes, including the Runner's World Editor's Choice Award. The future of Newton. Marlissa and Chris are committed to continuing to innovate and improve their products. They are also passionate about helping runners of all levels achieve their goals. I believe that Newton has a bright future ahead of it. The company is well positioned to continue to be a leader in the running shoe industry. So, there you have it. The owner of Newton Running Company is Marlissa and Chris Ganley. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And remember, if you're looking for a running shoe that can help you improve your performance, be sure to check out Newton. Thanks for watching. I just want to add that I'm not affiliated with Newton Running Company in any way. I'm just a fan of their products, and I wanted to share some information about the company with you. I hope you have a great day. If you're interested in learning more about Newton Running Company, I encourage you to visit their website or follow them on social media. Thanks for watching.